Good morning, all of you. I, Amrita Chaudhary, research scholar of Department of Biotechnology, Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University, is going to present my PhD work entitled Molecular Analysis of COMT and DRD2 gene polymorphism in Eastern Uttar Pradesh population. So before entering into the study, I would like to grab your attention towards one of the most devastating issue of the society, that is alcoholism. It does not affect an individual only, rather the entire society is affected, having significant social and economic consequences. The seriousness of alcoholism can be seen by this graph, which indicates the higher use of alcohol in youngsters in comparison to other age group. Alcohol use disorder, that is AUD, is ranking amongst one of the most prevalent mental disorder globally, with 3 million deaths each year. So now the question arises, what are the main factors behind? So there are two main factors, environmental and genetic factors, and there are a number of genes that are found to be associated with the alcoholism. Moving ahead to the neurobiology, first meet your happy hormones. Amongst those, dopamine is a hormone that makes you feel happy. It basically a pleasure or reward hormone. It is synthesized in dopaminergic neurons using amino acid tyrosine, and all the functions of dopamine is mediated by dopamine receptor, and its concentration is maintained by COMT enzyme. So after the polymorphism, that is DRD2 TAC1A polymorphism, there is reduction in the expression of dopamine receptor gene, which lead to the hypodopaminergic state, and hence it increases the alcohol seeking behavior in an individual. And in case of COMT 158 well polymorphism, there is low enzymatic activity that lead to the higher concentration of dopamine, hence aggression. So the goal of my study is to find out the status of these two gene polymorphism in Eastern Uttar Pradesh population, and then to determine the frequency of these two gene polymorphism in alcoholic patient. So for the fulfillment of my goal, I had collected blood sample prior to ethical clearance, followed with the DNA isolation, PCR with gene specific primer, and restriction digestion for the genotypic analysis. So the conclusion of my study is that in cases samples, the number of mutant allele is found higher as compared to control group. So the significance of my study is to create awareness in the society. Also, the depression cases, criminal cases, suicidal behavior, mortality rate can be decreased. Also, the economic condition of an individual can be enhanced. Alcoholism is not a genetic disorder, so can be prevented by taking some care. So these are the list of my publications, and finally I would like to say that a healthy society can be created by making a healthy individual. Thank you.